Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hit that subscribe button, turn your post notification on. Today I'll be making my famous spaghetti, according to my husband. I added butter and waited till it melted, and then I added my peppers. After letting the peppers cook in the butter, I'm going to add some sofrito that I made, and as well as the seasoning. Now I'll be adding the ground beef and adding a little bit more seasoning on the top. So now that everything is done, we're going to add the spaghetti into a pan, and we're going to stir fry and add cheese to it. And this is the results. I definitely recommend you guys trying this. Thank you so much for watching my channel, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.